Hi, my name is Jeromar Cabigayan and I would like you to tell about a fantastic book I just read. This is Farah Rock's 5th Grade by Susan Mwadi Duraj, and it's perfect for kids. Farah and her best friend Ali are so excited to turn in their application to the Magnet Academy, an exclusive middle school they can both attend next school year. Everything seems to be going according to the plan until Farah meets new girl Dana Dilvir. Dana is mean. Farah can ignore the bullying, but Dana is downright cruel to Farah's younger brother Samir, and Farah doesn't want to leave him alone next school year, knowing this bully will be on the bus, in the halls, and at lunch every day. Farah doesn't want to bother her parents, who have enough to worry about. So, she decides to take care of this herself. First, she tries to talk to some adults at school, but they just don't listen. Farah becomes determined that the only way for her to protect her baby brother is for her not to attend that Magnet Academy. So, she intentionally starts to let her grades slip. Will Farah rise to catch up to her? Will she be able to protect her baby brother? Find out in Farah Rock's 5th Grade by Susan Mwadi Duraj. You can find the book and buy it in the National Bookstore. Thank you for watching!